Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Adrian Chia, and I'm going to talk about a new product called RingU from our company RingU with SparkLabs. In the 21st century, the internet is becoming more and more important for our communication. But through the internet, we basically communicate only with audio visual and basically through glass. It's as if in the physical world, we could see everything through a window, but we couldn't touch, we couldn't open the window and touch through it. Related science has also shown that non-verbal communication is critical for human communication. In fact, studies have shown that more than 60% of human communication is non-verbal. So I believe in the future, we'll be able to communicate through the internet with all of our 5 senses. We'll move from the information age we have today to the experience communication age in the future, where we'll be able to communicate with all of our 5 senses. Not only share data, but also share our emotions and memories and experiences. Touch is actually one of the most important senses. It's a basic need of humans and a basic need to be happy as a human. And so we've been researching for a few years on how could we send touch, communicate by touch through the internet. One of our early works was a device where you could, if you're away from the home, you could hug your pet through the internet. You would touch a physical avatar of your pet, and your pet at home, in this case a pet chicken, would feel the hugging sensation on her body. And of course we furthered that work and we developed it for human-to-human communication. So this system was called a hugging pajama, and with this system here, a parent who was busy at work or sitting at conferences like here could not only give their child a telephone call or communicate by Skype, but they could also hug each other through the internet. And these works have made quite a lot of impact around the world, including on the mass media. But what we want to go is to the next step, is to make this touch sensation small and tiny and wearable, a wearable device that you can send a hug. So we made a device called RingU, and basically with this device you can squeeze the ring on your finger when you're thinking of someone, and that person, no matter where in the world, will feel the hug on their finger. And so you can touch each other through the internet in real time. The ring basically operates as follows. It has a touch sensor to measure the pressure that you're placing on your finger, and it has a motor to output the touch sensation. Also connects to the smartphone via Bluetooth, so you can connect to the internet. It also has an app where you can integrate with your social networking services, so not only can your friend on Facebook send you a message, but they can send you a hug. And now we're going to show a live demonstration. So this is our team members Jordan and Yong-Sun. So Jordan is normally in London and Yong-Sun is normally in Seoul. So when Jordan is missing Yong-Sun, he can send a loving hug to Yong-Sun's finger as so. You can see it's vibrating and it goes red. And then Yong-Sun can also squeeze his finger through the internet in real time. And you can try it after if you want. So we're also working on future versions of this, some smaller designs you can see on my finger, and also cute designs, which I think will be very popular with teenage girls in Korea. Now normally in the real world you can only hug one person at a time, but actually once you can convert hugging to internet, you can do new kinds of hugging. So not only one-to-one, but one-to-many. How about hugging all 1,000 of your Facebook friends at the same time? I'm sure some people want to do that. So this is a very international team. The team is based in three of the world capitals, here in Seoul, Tokyo and London. We have a great team of members here. It's engineers, designers and businessmen. So today we're looking for collaborators and also investors into our product, and we have a very cool manga comic to explain the concept. Please pick it up after the talk. Thank you very much.